following us now, and we've got the microphone going, so let's hope that's all good. Hopefully it's going to just miss us. With your phone, you can fly with the controller, you can fly with yeah, it might crash. No, it's alright, it's all good. No, it's alright. You can bring it closer and you can do further.
I got Mini 4,
Yeah.
it does that as well.
Yeah. And this is the circle.
So you keep recording
Yeah.
the runway.
Yeah, all the time, yes.
So you can play tap on the television or your
Yeah.
Oh.
Mm.
What about this one?
That's the receiver from here to there.
Ah,
So then and then I got this controls here,
yeah.
where I can tell it, you know, to land or to come go up higher and all that stuff as well. Yeah. Maybe you are recording. See? Huh? There's the droney. Droney's finished. In the mode that it is. Where it's on. So you're following me now? That's good. Keep following me. Go back. Straight line. Straight line. What happens if we come over here? I just put my hands out like that. And I turn around.